Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best knife sets. So let's get started. Number 7. Mercer Culinary Genesis. For reliable kitchen workhorses, turn to Mercer-made knives. Their taper-ground edges give extra stability for chopping and maintain their sharpness for longer. And because of their strong German-forged blades and easy grip handles, they're the knives many culinary schools recommend to incoming students. This set includes all the knives a home cook needs: 8-inch chef's knife, bread knife, boning knife, utility knife, and 3½ inch utility knife, inside a sleek tempered glass knife block. Nearly 1,800 Amazon shoppers have given the Mercer set a perfect rating, saying it's ideal for both new cooks and pros alike. Number 6. Home Hero 17 Pieces. With an incredible 4.7-star rating from more than 21,000 shoppers, the Home Hero kitchen knife set is Amazon's best-rated option in its category. The 17-piece set includes 13 blades for a variety of slicing, dicing, carving, and cutting, as well as kitchen shears, a vegetable peeler, and a knife sharpener. Plus, the stainless steel blades are rust-resistant and have a non-stick coating for no-fuss cleaning. Shoppers love how versatile the knife set is and say it's an incredible value. I was mainly looking for a quality chef's knife, paring knife, and carving knife. Everything else was a bonus, one user wrote. Number 5. Cuisinart C77 SS15 PK. We already trust Cuisinart for its high-quality kitchen appliances, and its knives are no different. With high-carbon stainless steel blades and hollow handles, they're lightweight enough to slice, chop, and carve for hours without tiring out your wrists. The set comes with 15 pieces, including 6 steak knives, kitchen shears, and a 7-inch Santoku knife. Not to mention, the set is a great bang for your buck. Shoppers love how easy the knives are to use, with over 11,000 leaving perfect ratings. Not just amazing for the price, actually amazing, a user writes. I did not expect these to be as good as they were. Number 4. Global 7-piece Ikasu knife. It's no surprise the makers of one of our best-rated chef's knives also craft an excellent block set. Made of Global's signature Japanese stainless steel, the set includes 6 knives, like the 5½ inch Nakiri knife for chopping vegetables, and a 4½ inch utility knife for slicing cheeses and smaller fruits. Each knife is made from a single piece of metal, including the handle, which is dimpled for easy gripping. Also, the blades are sharpened with a 50/50th symmetrical bevel, creating an ideal edge for slicing tomatoes and dicing onions. Number 3. Victorinox Fibrox Pro. Look, new cooks should learn with the basics, but you want those basics to be exemplary. That's where this 4-piece Victorinox set comes in. Beloved by professional chefs like David Chong and Ina Garten, the Swiss-made blades are designed with a bolsterless edge, which means you can use the entire blade for chopping, slicing, and dicing. Plus, the comfortable handles are textured for a non-slip grip, even when wet. This set comes with a chef's, bread, utility, and paring knife, which can handle virtually every kitchen task, but still leaves the door open for cooks to add to their collections as their skills improve. Number 2. J.A. Henckels International. Looking to give a knife set for a wedding, birthday, graduation, or holidays? Amazon shoppers say this selection from J.A. Henckels is a great gift. The set includes every blade a home cook could dream of: a 3-inch paring knife, 5-inch serrated utility knife, 7-inch hollow-edge santoka knife, 8-inch chef's knife, 8-inch bread knife, 6 4.5-inch steak knives, 1 sharpening steel, kitchen shears, and a hardwood block. J.A. Henckels is famous for its classic designs and razor-sharp edges. Number 1. Wusthof Classic. Because of the way it's forged, Western-style steel is typically softer than its Japanese counterpart, but that isn't necessarily a bad thing. German-made blades can hold an edge longer than Japanese blades, and consequently don't need to be sharpened as often. And when we're picking tough German steel, we love Wusthof. This 7-piece set is classic Wusthof quality, with hand-honed high-carbon steel blades and perfectly balanced handles. The set also features Wusthof's Precision Edge Technology, P-Tech, which promises a 20% sharper blade and double the edge retention. And for anyone concerned about saving kitchen space, the ultra-slim knife block only has a 9.5 by 3.5 inch footprint.